Look, let's be real for a second. We all saw what happened with Nvidia. We all saw Palantir go parabolic. And if you're sitting there watching your portfolio barely move while everyone else is flexing their massive gains, I know exactly how you feel. You feel like you missed the boat. But what if I told you the next wave of massive wealth isn't hiding in stocks that cost $500 a share? What if the real asymmetric bets, the plays where you risk a little to make a lot, are hiding in plain sight, trading for less than the price of your morning Starbucks coffee? Today, we are tearing down the market to uncover 3 heavily shorted, insanely undervalued penny stocks trading strictly under $5 on the US market. These are companies with real revenue, real products, and massive catalysts coming up. But here is the golden rule: do not skip ahead. The third stock on this list is trading for literally under $1, and the tech they are building is quietly powering a multi-billion-dollar revolution. Before we dive into the matrix, smash that like button, and remember, I'm just a guy on the internet. This is for entertainment, not financial advice. Let's get it. Alright, let's talk about our first sleeper. The legacy cable TV industry is bleeding out. Nobody under the age of 40 wants a $150 cable bill. But there is one thing keeping the traditional TV model alive: live sports. If you want to watch the NFL, the NBA, or Premier League soccer, you usually need a massive TV package. Now, imagine a tech company that entirely disrupted this. A streaming platform built specifically for the die-hard sports fan, integrating live sports with predictive data and a killer user interface. This company has been growing its subscriber base aggressively in North America, consistently beating revenue estimates. In fact, they're pulling in hundreds of millions in ad revenue alone. But Wall Street punished them. Why? Because streaming is expensive, and short sellers attacked the stock, driving it down to single digits. But recently, they've secured massive backing and won key legal battles against the monopolies. The risk-to-reward ratio here is starting to look absolutely insane. If you haven't guessed it yet, the company is Fubo TV. Ticker symbol, FUBO. Trading right around $3 right now, Fubo is positioning itself as the ultimate takeover target or a standalone giant once they hit profitability. Keep this on your watch list. Moving on to play number 2. We are shifting from entertainment to a sector that literally prints money: insurance and healthcare tech. Now, stay with me. I know insurance sounds boring, but the financials on this company are absolutely wild. We are talking about a tech platform operating in one of the largest economies in the world. They use AI and big data to match millions of users with health and life insurance products. They have massive backing from some of the biggest tech conglomerates in Asia. Here is the craziest part, and this is why deep value investors are drooling over this: this company is sitting on a mountain of cash. In fact, if you look at their balance sheet, the cash they have in the bank is almost equal to their entire market cap. That means Wall Street is essentially valuing their actual, profitable business at zero. It's an anomaly. When a company is trading below its book value while still generating revenue and doing stock buybacks, it's like picking up free money off the floor. The ticker you are looking for is WDH, Waterdrop Inc. Now for the grand finale. The stock I promised you that is trading for under $1. We all know the electric vehicle and clean energy revolution is here. But everyone is obsessed with trying to find the next Tesla. That's the wrong game. The smart money isn't betting on the cars, they are betting on the picks and shovels. They are betting on the batteries. This company designs and manufactures premium lithium iron phosphate batteries. We are talking about power supplies for massive RVs, marine boats, off-grid homes, and industrial applications. These aren't your grandpa's heavy, toxic lead-acid batteries. These are lighter, pack insanely more energy, and are safer. As more Americans go off-grid and the outdoor recreation market explodes, the demand for compact, high-density power is through the roof. This company has been heavily beaten down, pushing its price into deep penny stock territory. But with new product lines dropping and the global shift towards lithium power, the upside potential is massive if they secure the right distribution deals. The company is Expion360. Ticker symbol XPON. There you have it. 3 under the radar plays under $5. Fubo TV, Waterdrop, and Expion360. Remember, penny stocks are wild, so manage your risk, do your own homework, and never invest money you can't afford to lose. Which of these 3 do you think has the biggest upside? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next breakout alert, and I'll see you in the next one.